Hello, this is Max from ShortPoint. Let me show you how to edit text using ShortPoint's rich text editor. This is a text we've written on our home page. It's missing a few details though. Let's edit it. To do this, hover over the text, double-click, and start writing. Now we want to make sections of our text pop out. To accomplish this, select it and make your changes. ShortPoint has a rich text editor that is equipped with commonly used text formatting options. You can customize the background color, font size, alignment, and more. For more ways to create a unique text content, click the drop-down icon. Here, you can insert links, tables, videos, and images. Convenient, right? But what's even more convenient is the addition of inline design elements, which allows you to create buttons, emphasize text, and more. Let's turn Book Now into a button using this feature. First, highlight the text, click the ShortPoint icon, select the Show Button icon, and customize it. Once done, hit Apply. If you want to insert other inline design elements, like a link for example, you just have to follow the same process. In case you make a mistake, click the inline design element and select Edit to make changes. You can also customize text using the Settings window and Grid mode. They have the same editing experience. There you have it. That's how easy it is to edit text in ShortPoint. You can now create stunning and unique text content on your SharePoint page. What are you waiting for? Try it now.